Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to today's vlogmas video. So I am actually in my new apartment. So if you guys missed my other video, I kind of announced that I was moving. It was a very quick and sudden thing that I decided to do, and my boyfriend came yesterday and helped me move everything, and I have the same exact apartment. It's just a different unit, so I literally even have the same exact room, and it literally looks the exact same. Everything is just flipped. So in my old room, my bed was on this side of the wall, and in the new room it's obviously on that side. So yeah, I am really excited about it. I haven't really decorated anything yet. I just kind of got everything somewhat situated. But yeah, it's the same exact apartment. It's literally just a different unit. But I am actually going home today because it is Christmas break, and I would have gone home sooner, like when I was done with finals, but then I decided to move and found out that that was going to happen this weekend, so I had to stick around for a little bit. But yeah, I have a ton of stuff to do before I leave. I need to pack all my stuff. I need to go through my food and bring home stuff that would go bad while I'm not here. I have to throw some stuff away. I need to drop off my old keys. I need to drop something off at the sorority house, pack up my car. There's just a lot of stuff. So I am gonna be vlogging a little bit. I don't know how much I'm gonna actually be able to vlog because I'm just trying to get this done as fast as possible because I have a 2.5 hour drive home, and I don't like driving all that way by myself. It stresses me out, but it'll be fine and I'll make it home. And I also have my live stream tonight, which I need to post about that. I haven't decided what time yet. I might do something a little bit later, I don't know, but that's the vlogmas video that's going up today. It'll be my live stream, so I'm kind of excited. I haven't live streamed in a long time, and yeah, so if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe so you guys don't miss any of my new vlogmas videos. But other than that, we are just gonna start getting all of our stuff together. Okay, so I am all ready to go. I even have my shoes on and everything. So I'm gonna start packing now. I wanted to get ready and make sure I was ready to go and everything, so I could pack everything I needed to go home. So yeah, I'm all ready. I would just need to throw my coat on. So we're gonna get packing. Also, I am just so happy that the lighting in my room is still really good. I'm not gonna lie, that was something I thought about before I moved. I was like, oh my god, I hope there's good lighting, because you know, that's all that matters. Guys, I'm bringing an excessive amount of stuff home. Keep in mind, I will be home for almost a month. Not exactly sure yet, but I will be home for like a while. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, I did get tested for COVID. That was also in another vlog, if you guys want to see that. Obviously it's negative or else I wouldn't be going home. But yeah, that was a thing. I am being safe. But yeah, anyways, I have an excessive amount of stuff. I think I'm gonna start putting it in the car. I'm not really sure yet. I haven't decided. So I'm bringing my backpack home. I still have to put my computer in it. I'm bringing that travel bag. I am taking the ladder home to like leave at home because I don't really have a spot for it here. I am also taking my ivy plant because it cannot go without water for 3 whole weeks. And it's also kind of not doing too well. I think it's because I kept forgetting to water it. I did end up watering it, so it's all good. But yes, I'm taking this home. And then I need to drop those off at the sorority house. I'm taking my camera bag. Also going to take my pillow because I don't have any comfy pillows at home. I am also taking my hamper. This has just like a bunch of stuff in it. Mostly like shoes. I'm bringing home 2 coats and like my nail polish stuff and everything like that. I just thought this would be the easiest way to like take it home like in my car and stuff. I don't know. And then I'm also taking this bin. Most of the stuff in this bin is stuff that I'm taking home and leaving at home. I have a bunch of like summery clothes that I never brought home and stuff like that. And like my Christmas decorations because when I come back it will not be Christmas anymore. And that is just the stuff that I have in here. And I also just quickly need to go through my food because I know I have like eggs and whatever, milk and stuff that will go bad if I leave it here, and obviously I don't want that to happen. And then I also need to wash a few dishes before I go so everything is all nice and clean when everyone comes back. But yeah, it's a lot of stuff, I know. I think I'm gonna start putting stuff in my car because I already have stuff in my car that I threw in there that I knew I wanted to take home even like before I moved. So I know there's already stuff in there and I need to like organize it somewhat. So I'm gonna go and do that, start taking some stuff out there. And yeah, I just know that that's gonna take a minute because I have a lot of stuff. Like this is too much. This time I'm not even bringing my Cricut home. My mom also has a Cricut, so if I feel like cricketing I will just borrow hers because there's no way this is all gonna fit. And then I also have a bar cart that I'm also going to take home because there just isn't space for it here. So yeah, there's just a lot. There's a lot of stuff. Why does stuff like this always happen to me? I dropped my mason jar and it fell on the floor and shattered. I've never broken one of these, but I don't know what to do because we don't have a broom here. I literally have the worst luck, you guys. Okay, I need to clean this up. Okay, I think I got all of it. I don't see anything else. I ended up vacuuming it because like I said, we don't have a broom. So yeah, that ended up working out fine, so that's all good. Okay, the car is all packed up. It is literally stuffed. I can't believe I'm bringing this much stuff home. Guys, I'm literally sweating. I look disgusting, but almost everything is packed. And oh shoot, I need to grab the ladder too. And my plant, you guys, this is not gonna fit in my car. And I'm literally sweating. I've been going back and forth between my car and the apartment to like drag everything there, and I can only hold so much, you guys. So I'm gonna take a little minute break so I can post on Instagram that I am doing a live stream later, and I still need to decide on the time. I think I'm just gonna say like 8 p.m. and then it'll go from like 8 to 8:30. Yeah, we'll go with that. Okay, I made this cute little graphic, so I'm gonna post this on my Instagram. This is on my stories, so it just says I'm doing a live stream tonight for today's vlogmas vid, and then I did decide it's gonna be at 8, and then I did a little countdown, and I don't even know if you can see it, but they had these cute little gifs of snowflakes, so I added those. But yeah, I'm gonna post this on my story. Here we go, all done. It's literally 12:30 already and I'm still not done packing my car. Like, are you kidding me? This is taking me forever. I think I mentioned that Doug helped me move, but he had to leave earlier because he has to get some stuff done today. So I'm just here by myself packing my car without anyone to help me. Literally, how tragic. I'm gonna get finished with all of that stuff so I can leave and go home. Okay, my plant is in my car along with the food, which I thought there was more than there actually was food-wise, but it all worked out. And I ended up just leaving the ladder and the bar cart. I might find a spot for those things later on when I come back. If not, then I'll just take it home next time. But honestly, guys, there is no space in my car. Like, absolutely no space. Like, the space in my car, all taken. So I'm gonna do a check around the apartment, make sure I grabbed everything. I'm gonna stop by the leasing office, drop off my old keys, pick up my mail key, and that should be it, I think. Ooh, there's one thing I forgot. My external hard drive, I almost forgot it. Okay, so my old keys are gone. Just dropped those off at the office. Everything is all set. I got my mail key, so I'm all official officially moved and everything. I need to go drop something off at the sorority house for my advisor, and then we can finally leave. It's 1:02 right now. I can't believe how long that took me. Doug just texted and told me that he got home and it has literally taken that much time for me to get everything together and pack. I'm just a slowpoke, I know. Also, my beautiful plant is right next to me. Gerald and I are on the move and he's gonna go home with me. And one of his leaves just fell off. Hopefully he's doing okay. Guys, I'm at Starbucks. Okay, let me explain this because I don't know. I already know I'm gonna sound stupid, but so to go home, I go on the highway and I already don't like driving on the highway. Kind of stresses me out, not gonna lie, but I'm getting better at it. But the on-ramp that I would normally go on to get onto the highway is like the worst thing ever. I absolutely hate it. It stresses me out like no other because there's just cars merging on from both sides and it's just a lot. So the Starbucks that I'm at is right next to the better on-ramp to get onto the highway, like the easier one. So that's why I'm at Starbucks. I totally could have gone without Starbucks, but like I'm already here, so you might as well just get it, you know? And it honestly probably is quicker to get to this one rather than the other one. Guys, there's train tracks over there and I've never seen a train go by. What the heck? That's like first time ever. I come over here all the time and I literally have never seen a train, and there's actually a train. Crazy. But yeah, I know my reasoning for Starbucks sounded stupid, but you know what? Who cares? I'm the one who's driving, so I get to make the decisions. I call the shots and I want Starbucks, so I'm gonna get Starbucks. I think I'm gonna get a chai tea latte. I haven't had one of those in so long and it sounds really good. Guys, this train is still going. What the heck?
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, could I get a tall iced chai tea latte?
All right, it's gonna be $6.89 at the window.
Okay, thank you. I literally forgot what it was called for a second there. I also got a cheese Danish because I am so hungry right now and I totally did not need to do that, but it was cheaper than like their sandwiches because their sandwiches are really good but they're really expensive. They're like $6 or $7 for a sandwich from Starbucks. That's crazy. Guys, I just realized I forgot my SD card reader and my adapter. And I think I have to go back to the apartment. Oh my god. I'm so stupid. I'm like literally gonna cry. This is so frustrating. And I've literally been sitting at Starbucks for so long and I'm gonna have to go all the way back home when the on-ramp is literally right there. It's literally right back there. Oh, I'm so mad at myself.
Danish and the chai tea.
Thank you.
A venti iced latte.
Sure.
We have one that's just a regular iced latte and one that's an iced coffee with 3 pumps vanilla and sweet cream.
I'll do the one with the sweet cream.
All right.
Thanks.
Of course. Have a good rest of your day.
Thank you too. Guys, I just got a free latte. I guess they made a mistake and actually made an extra one. That honestly just made my day because I was so frustrated about having to go back home. I can't believe I forgot these. These are like the most important things ever. Okay, I'm gonna check to make sure I got everything else. I think we're good. Literally an hour after I left the first time. Like, this is a joke. Okay, it's 2:09 I think, and we're gonna leave for real now. I'll see you guys when I get home. My hair is a mess. I'm glad I got the free latte though. It's a venti latte. Yeah, a venti latte. It has 3 pumps of vanilla and sweet cream in it. Not my usual drink, but it's not bad for a free one. Beasley! Hi! Come here, come here. Hi. Oh. Hi. So it is 7:50. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of forgot that I was vlogging today. So I think the last thing you guys saw was when I came home and how cute and excited Paisley was to see me. Since then, my dad helped me bring in all my stuff from the car. We had dinner and oh, I was helping my boyfriend Doug with his resume because I am very good at graphic design and like designing that kind of stuff, so I was helping him with that. And now I am getting ready to go live on YouTube for today's like vlogmas video. I haven't done a live stream in so long, literally so long. So I made a thumbnail for this vlogmas video just so it would look cute, and now I'm gonna schedule, and now I am gonna do this. I don't know how to set this up, but we're gonna figure it out. We got cute little Paisley over here. This is what it looks like, so I'm gonna show you guys how I'm setting this up and stuff in a minute. But when I came upstairs to set everything up for the live stream, I walked into my room and it's all decorated in here. So my parents surprised me and decorated my room while I was gone. Also, I can see a smudge on the lens, sorry about that, but they surprised me and I had no idea, and it's really cute, and that was really nice of them, because in one of my vlogs from earlier in Vlogmas, I said something about how I hated my room here because I took all of the decorations from it to decorate my room at college. So my dad found some of these decorations online and the one in the back and decorated my room while I was gone, and that's just so nice. So if you guys are watching this, thank you. So if my parents are watching this, hi, thank you, I love you, and that was so nice of you guys, and now I actually really like my room here again. Okay, I need to go do this, bye. So I'm on live right now on YouTube, and it's super weird because I am not used to this whole live stream thing. I haven't live streamed in a long time, but shout out to all of these people. Yay! Paisley and I just finished our live stream, and I was trying to figure out if it was public or not because I can't see it on my channel, but it says it's public. I'm not really sure about that, but we'll see if it ends up uploading or not. I don't know how it works. But yeah, thanks for coming and hanging out with us, you guys. It was super fun, and I think I'm gonna start doing more live streams. I used to do them once a month on the first of every month, and I would live stream for like an hour, and it was really fun, and I forgot how fun it was. So I think I am going to start doing them more often, just to, you know, kind of just to, you know, hang out with you guys like that. But I think I am going to end the vlog here, but I am going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social media, and comment any video ideas that you guys want to see from me in the comments down below, and I am going to try my best to, you know, do those videos for you guys. If you guys want me to see anything specific that I do in like my vlogs and stuff, let me know. And yeah, so like I said, that's gonna be it for today. Come here. But thank you guys so much for watching, and Paisley and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Say bye.